In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bank statement to QuickBooks Online 2026. We'll start by connecting your bank, so QuickBooks can securely bring in your statement transactions for you. In QuickBooks Online, open the banking area from the left menu and choose Link Account. Use the search bar to find your financial institution, then sign in through the secure window. This is the same login you use for your online banking, and it's encrypted end-to-end. After you're in, select the exact bank or credit card account you want to connect. Make sure it matches the account you already have in your chart of accounts so you don't create duplicates. When everything looks right, click Connect. QuickBooks will pull in recent transactions and prepare them for you to review. This connection saves time and reduces manual data entry while keeping your books aligned with your bank statement. Next, head to the For Review tab in Banking. This is your inbox of imported bank lines, and you'll work through them one by one. For each transaction, decide whether to add it as new or match it to something that already exists in QuickBooks. Choose Match when you've previously recorded the item, like an expense you entered with a receipt, a bill you paid, or a customer payment that was applied to an invoice. Matching links the bank line to the existing record so you avoid duplicates and keep your audit trail clean. Choose Add when the transaction hasn't been recorded yet. This creates the transaction directly from the bank feed. Before you add, assign the correct category and payee. For category, pick the appropriate income or expense account so your reports are accurate. Aim to avoid uncategorized and instead choose the closest account that reflects what the transaction was for. For payee, select the vendor or customer associated with the transaction. Consistent payees make your vendor reports, 1099s, and customer insights much more reliable. When the details look good, click Add to move the transaction from For Review into your books. Continue down the list at a steady pace, keeping an eye on descriptions and amounts to ensure everything is coded correctly. If the bank memo helps clarify the purpose, use it to guide your category choice. That's it. By connecting your bank and thoughtfully reviewing each line using Add or Match, you automatically record your bank statement transactions in QuickBooks Online. This process keeps your balances current, your categories accurate, and your financial reports ready for confident decision making.